Good evening, fellow gardeners. Well, we're back down here to this little greenhouse, and it's a little cooler today than it has been. Still going to be up in the 80s later on this week and all. So, and it's in here. We are in November. But anyway, going to be nearly Thanksgiving. Fine, beautiful weather. A little bit windy. But I wanted to show you these little greenhouses that we put up. Some people are asking, are you still putting them up? Yes, we still put them up. The employees are still out covering greenhouses for people that they won't recovered, you know, through winter. They took the plastic off for the summer and put the shade on. Now then it's time they taking the shade off, putting the plastic back on, and that's what they're out doing. But I just wanted to let you see, this is a little 14 by 24 that we put up for backyard growers. And people say, well, that's too big a house for me. And we'll put them up a little like a 12 by 16 or a 12 by 12, and then they call me and say, Leon, why did you let me put that little house up? It's never enough room in there. So, you know, this here, people don't complain about this one. This little 14 by 24, it's not going to cost you much more for this than it is for like a 12 by 16, or it just, I mean, because getting it to you is about the same. And the labor, we got to go the same distance, put it up. It's almost, and then the kit don't cost much more for this one. So this is what we recommend, a 14 by 24 for backyard growers. Now, if you are growing for the public, then we do a 20. We can even make a 14 by 48 or a 14 by 96. Easy to cover and everything because it's low built. This is one of the finest houses I think's built. And then for the big grower, a 20 by 48 or 20 by 96. We can even build you a 20 by 150. Just make any difference. Anyway, it's just, it's got 2, 4, 6, 7 bows in it, spaced every 4 feet. And I just wanted you to see what this house is like. Yes, we haven't got ours covered yet because we're busy with helping everybody else. But they'll come in here one afternoon and they can cover this house. They can do it, you know, in probably 3 hours, get it covered and get the ends finished up. They hadn't even put the north end in this one yet. Anyway, it's just wanted you to see what these little houses are like. You know, you don't put any heat in them in the wintertime. You just grow your greens and all right on through there, your radishes and your green onions and beautiful kale and lettuce. Phone number is 580-564-5909 for me, 580-564-2166 for the garden center. If you're wanting to talk to Josh or Sherry about the greenhouses, putting them up. And we make trips up into the Northeast. We make trips back down into Texas and on over into Louisiana and Florida, and South and North Carolina. Fertilizer, we got plenty of fertilizer we can ship you. We got seeds, you know, for the vegetables. Just, hey, do yourself some good. Grow you some food. So you don't have to pay. We go to Walmart and, you know, I see people buying everything. It's so expensive. They spend $300 and $400 on a basket or two. So I'm just trying to tell you, you can help yourself by growing some of this food in these containers. It's so much easier than growing it in the ground, even especially for older people. You don't have to fight the grass, the weeds like this is down here. It's just so simple to do in here, and you don't have to water every day like you do in the summertime outside in the garden. Anyway, give us a call if we can help you, and we thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.